Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Banshee from the new Avatar 2 movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Banshee from Avatar, let's begin right here for the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve up. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little circle shape. And then I'm going to put a little dot inside there. Next, I'm going to make a little line underneath here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over and then down. I'm going to bring this to here, and we're going to curve it around and then come down. They'll make a little line that comes up. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and then up here. And then we're going to just kind of curve this line around here. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line down and then up. We're going to bring this up and then curve it into here for the jaw. We're going to add some sharp teeth on the bottom and on the top. We'll do some teeth over here too. Then we'll do a little line for the tongue. Next, we'll add a couple little lines here for some wrinkles. And then we're going to bring this line down here for a neck. Starting here, we're going to come down for the chest and then bring it up. And then right up here, we're going to bring this long line that's going to come down to here. And then we're going to bring another long line that comes right down to here. Over here, we're going to bring this line up, and then we'll make a little line that's going to come down here for the neck. Now, starting here, let's make the wing. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We're going to make it curve to a sharp claw and then down. Next, we're going to bring this line up to a point and then bring it down here for part of the wing. We'll do another one here out to a point and then bring it down here. A couple little bumps in there. Starting here, we're going to curve this line down to a sharp point like a claw and then bring it up. And then we're going to bring this line out to a point and bring it into here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to a claw, and I'm going to bring it back. Now I'm going to bring this up to a point and bring it down. Bring this one up to a point and then down. Bring this up to a point and down. And then we'll bring this one up to a point and then right to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Now, starting back here for the tail, let's draw a long line that's going to come to a point, nice and skinny, and it'll get a little bit fatter as it comes back towards the body. We're going to make kind of like a rounded shape on the end. And then we're going to make these kind of pointed shapes on each side. So we just kind of come up and make it a little bit of a pointed shape. Now, we have our basic shape of our Banshee. Let's just come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to add a couple little lines by the eye. And then a few little broken lines kind of right around the mouth here. We'll add a couple more here, and then a little line up here. We'll add a few lines around. And then a couple over here. A couple little lines on the kind of chest area. And a couple little lines underneath here. And we'll bring this back. I'm going to make a little curved line here with the line down just to kind of show where they breathe. And we'll put some little curves on these claws. We'll make some long broken lines that kind of come up. We'll do that same thing down here, just some kind of long little broken lines for some detail. I like to add a few extra lines in here just for a little bit of detail, some texture on there. We'll do the same thing around here. Over here, we're going to make another little kind of claw shape that comes out. Do a little bit of lines on the tail, and just a little bit of detail. We'll make a few little curved lines on there. And some broken lines kind of right along the body here. And then that's pretty much our basic shape of our Banshee. Now there's going to be a lot of different spots and stuff in here when we color. So when we color this, we're going to use kind of like some bluish greens in here. And then we're just going to come here with a lot of kind of like splotches of like different blacks and everything. And even some dark grays. I don't want to add all the stripes because then we're going to kind of lose all the detail and it's going to just kind of mess it up a little bit. So I'm just going to leave it just like this. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.